Ever wondered why some people have flawless, glowing skin while others struggle with common skin issues? It's not all about genetics, my friends. A significant aspect of skin health lies in the consistent and proper care we give it. You may be surprised at how a solid skincare routine can address common skin issues such as acne, dryness, premature aging, and more. Now, you might be thinking, a skincare routine? That sounds like a lot of work. But let's break it down. A good skincare routine is as basic as 1, 2, 3, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. It's a simple trio of steps that, when done consistently, can do wonders for your skin. Let's start with cleansing. This is your first line of defense against dirt, oil, and pollutants that accumulate on your skin throughout the day. It's like giving your skin a fresh, clean canvas every morning and night. Next, we have toning. Think of a toner as the middleman between cleansing and moisturizing. It helps remove any residual dirt or makeup left behind after cleansing, and it also preps your skin to better absorb the benefits of your moisturizer. Lastly, moisturizing. This is your final step, the one that seals in all the goodness from the previous steps. A good moisturizer hydrates your skin, keeping it soft, supple, and glowing. But here's the thing, not all skin is created equal. What works wonders for one person might not work for another. That's why understanding your skin type and its specific needs is crucial. Are you oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? Each skin type has unique needs, and the key to a successful skincare routine is to tailor it to what your skin truly needs. So, whether you're a skincare novice or a seasoned pro looking to refine your routine, remember this. A consistent skincare routine tailored to your skin's needs can be your ticket to healthier, happier skin. Understanding your skin type and needs is the first step to achieving that healthy, glowing skin. Did you know your skincare routine should be tailored to your skin type? Yes, it's true. The key to effective skincare lies in understanding the unique characteristics of your skin. Let's dive into the 5 main skin types: normal, dry, oily, combination, and sensitive. First, we have normal skin. This is the Goldilocks of skin types, not too dry, not too oily. It's well-balanced with few imperfections, small pores, and an even complexion. If you're blessed with normal skin, your skincare routine might be more straightforward, focusing on maintaining your skin's natural balance. Next is dry skin. It lacks the necessary amount of moisture, often feeling tight or rough to the touch. Dry skin can also flake, itch, or even crack. If you have dry skin, you'll want to look for products that deliver deep hydration and prevent moisture loss. Third, we have oily skin. This type produces excess sebum, leading to a shiny appearance and larger-looking pores. Oily skin is also more prone to acne due to this overproduction of oil. If you have oily skin, your skincare routine should aim to balance your skin's oil production without stripping it completely. Moving on to combination skin. This type is a mix of dry and oily. You might have oily skin in your T-zone, that's your forehead, nose, and chin, and dry skin on your cheeks. It calls for a bit more customization in your skincare routine, treating different areas with different products. Last but not least, sensitive skin. This type can easily become inflamed or irritated. It requires gentle care and hypoallergenic, fragrance-free products to avoid triggering any adverse reactions. So there you have it, a quick rundown of the 5 main skin types. Remember, your skin is as unique as you are. It may not fit perfectly into one category, and that's okay. Knowing your skin type is crucial in choosing the right products and routine for your skin. It's all about understanding your skin's needs and responding accordingly. So take the time to get to know your skin. It's worth it, we promise. Now let's dive into the first step of any good skincare routine: cleansing. Imagine your skin as a canvas. Any artist knows that to create a masterpiece, you must start with a clean blank canvas. The same principle applies to your skin. Whether it's makeup, pollution, or the natural oils your skin produces, cleansing is crucial for removing these impurities and unveiling the clean, healthy skin beneath. Now you might think, hey, I wash my face with water, that should be enough, right? Well, not quite. Water alone can't remove oil-soluble impurities. That's where cleansers come in. They're like your skin's superheroes, whisking away dirt, makeup, and oil, leaving your skin refreshed and ready for the next steps in your routine. But wait, not all cleansers are created equal. Just as we all have unique personalities, we also have unique skin types. The key is to find a cleanser that's tailored to your specific needs. For those with dry skin, a cream or lotion cleanser can be your best friend. These cleansers are usually rich in moisturizing ingredients and can help keep your skin hydrated while cleansing. If you have oily skin, A gel or foaming cleanser might be your go-to. These types of cleansers can effectively remove excess oil without leaving your skin feeling tight or dry. For combination skin, a balanced cleanser could be the answer. It's all about finding a product that can tackle both oily and dry areas effectively. And finally, for those with sensitive skin, a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser is a must. You want a product that cleanses without causing irritation or redness. Once you've found your perfect cleanser, use it morning and night. Yes, even if you're not wearing makeup. Trust me, your skin will thank you. So, there you have it. Cleansing is the first and arguably the most important step in any skincare routine. It sets the stage for all the other products to do their magic. Remember, cleansing is a non-negotiable step in your daily skincare routine. After cleansing, the next step is toning. This might be a step that some of you have overlooked in the past, but let's change that today. Toning is an essential part of any skincare routine. It's like the middleman of skincare, bridging the gap between cleansing and moisturizing. So what exactly does a toner do? Toners are designed to restore your skin's pH balance, which can be disrupted during cleansing. Our skin is naturally acidic, with a pH balance typically between 5 and 6. Most cleansers, especially soap-based ones, are alkaline, which can throw our skin's pH out of whack. This imbalance may result in your skin working overtime to restore its pH level, potentially leading to an overproduction of oil and, unfortunately, breakouts. This is where a toner steps in. It helps to bring your skin back to its normal pH level. But that's not all. A toner also prepares your skin to absorb the moisturizer that follows. It's like priming a canvas before painting. It allows the moisturizer to penetrate deeper into your skin, making it more effective. Now, there's a common misconception that toners are only for those with oily or acne-prone skin. But that's not true. Just like cleansers, there are different toners for different skin types. For those with oily skin, look for toners with ingredients like salicylic acid or witch hazel. These can help control oil production and prevent breakouts. If you have dry or sensitive skin, opt for toners with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. These will help to replenish your skin's moisture levels and soothe any redness or irritation. And for those with a normal or combination skin, a balanced toner with both hydrating and oil control ingredients would be the best bet. Remember, a toner is not a one-size-fits-all product. It's important to choose a toner that addresses your skin's specific needs. So, after cleansing your skin, don't rush to your moisturizer. Take a moment to tone. Your skin will thank you. A toner can be a game changer in your skincare routine. Don't skip it. Last but not least, the final step in our basic skincare routine, moisturizing. This step is like the cherry on top of a perfect sundae. It seals in all the goodness of your previous steps and provides that final layer of protection. Moisturizing is more than just slathering on some cream. It's about making sure that your skin maintains its hydration, staying plump, and looking healthy. Think of your skin as a sponge. When it's dry, it's brittle and less elastic, making it more prone to damage. But when it's moist, it's flexible and resilient, better equipped to defend against environmental stressors. Now, not all moisturizers are created equal. It's essential to choose one that suits your skin type. For those with dry skin, look for moisturizers with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. These ingredients are like a drink of water for your skin, helping to lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated. If you have oily skin, you might think you can skip this step, but that's not the case. Even oily skin needs hydration. Look for lightweight, oil-free moisturizers that won't clog your pores but will still provide the necessary hydration. For sensitive skin, it's best to stick to hypoallergenic and fragrance-free moisturizers. These types are typically gentler and less likely to cause irritation, so never underestimate the power of a good moisturizer. It's the final critical step in maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started by understanding the importance of identifying your skin type. This knowledge is the foundation of your skincare journey. Then, we dove into the 3 essential steps of a basic skincare routine: cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Each step is vital and plays a unique role in maintaining our skin's health and vitality. Remember, consistency is key in skincare. Start with these basics, and you'll be on your way to healthier, happier skin. Now that you have the basics of skincare down, it's time to start your own skincare journey. We've given you the tools, now it's your turn to put them into practice. Remember, your skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different products and routines until you find what works best for your skin. If you found this video helpful and want to continue learning about skincare, consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly share tips, tricks, and in-depth guides to help you achieve the skin of your dreams. Also, if you have friends who might find this video helpful, don't hesitate to share it with them. After all, skincare is a journey that's more fun when you're not doing it alone. Remember, beautiful skin begins with exceptional skincare. Start your journey today.